Izolo amapolisa adubule abafundi nge-stun grenades ngethuba ezama ukubachitha-chitha. Kubanjwe umfundi wamnye ngokunyhasha umthetho wolawulo lwentlekele, i-Disaster Management Act. Abafundi abaxolanga sisigqibo sokukhutshwa kwabo kusithiwa mabagoduke.
I mean, like, if you go back home, where are we going to get internet connection? Some of us are coming from previously disadvantaged backgrounds. Ma'am, some of us, we don't have financial stability at home.
We are being forced or being bribed with money. At the moment, our wardens are being called so that they can ask how much we are going to need to go home, and we are not happy with that.
Ibhunga elimele abafundi lithi isigqibo sokuthumela abafundi emakhaya siphenjelelwe zinjongo zokunqanda ukunwenwa kwe-COVID-19.
It was a common decision that was taken because now we have saw that the COVID is starting to spread, especially here in Free State. As we know that the Free State is one of the hotspots of the COVID. We can't wait for someone in the situation to die, then we take a drastic decision.
Abasemagunyeni bathi bazama ukubuyisa uzinzo kweliziko mfundo.
We have seen continual transgression of National Disaster Act, which is really a matter relating to illegal gatherings of our students, both on 2 campuses, and it's a matter of serious concern to the university.
Abasemagunyeni bakwathi basungule ikomiti yethutyana eza kujongana nokucwangco kule yunivesithi.